Welcome to this video. Today we would like to give you an overview of the CRO Debit card. I've been using it for a few months now. I've also tried it in a foreign country, where you can use it, how it works and how high the FX fees are. This and more we will discuss in this video. Earlier this year I've received my debit card. I ordered the Royal Indigo, which has very nice perks. If you want to learn more about the card's benefits, a video link is going to pop up now. Check it out now or later if you like. I will go over a few benefits very quickly now. We have 5 different tiers. Each level requires you to stake a different amount of CRO. These numbers change from time to time when the price of CRO rises or falls by a lot. If you stake your CRO, they will be locked for 6 months. Then you'll get all the great benefits. In my case, I received 3% cashback and free Spotify and Netflix. Shipping of the card took about 1 month. Once I've received my card, I got super excited. Later I'm going to show you footage using it in Thailand. But let's first start with how you can top up your card. Since this is a debit card, you have to top it up first before you can spend anything. You can send cash or crypto to your debit card account. If you use crypto, it will be converted into cash. In my case, euro or pounds. If you live in the US, it's going to be USD. You pay a small fee when you convert your cryptocurrency. I found that Bitcoin and Tether have the best conversion rate. You can top up your balance with another credit card or bank transfer. If you use this method, you are not going to pay any fees. Let's top up my card using Bitcoin. I simply click top up and I get to choose between crypto wallet and credit card. I'm going to pick Bitcoin now and decide how much I would like to convert. Once you've topped up your card, you can spend it instantly. Now we have to agree on the conversion rate. I will show you in just a second how much fees we have to pay. Hit confirm and that's all you have to do to top up your card. I paid 0.005916 Bitcoin in exchange for 95 euro. If we take a look at the conversion rate, we have to pay around 80 cents in fees. That's a little less than 1%. That's alright with me. I haven't found a cheaper way to convert my crypto yet. Let's see where the Crypto.com card is accepted. After using it for a few months, I've noticed that you can use it at most of the shops that accept Visa. However, you can't use it everywhere. Let me give you an example. I had no problem using the card for online shopping, for instance booking a hotel with Agoda. Or spending money at a 7-Eleven in Thailand. At some restaurants it worked, at some it didn't. Where you can definitely not use this card is for online gambling. I tried to use it, but it's blocked for every gambling site. To summarize, you can't completely rely on this card. You will need a backup card because sometimes it just doesn't work. However, the benefits and the cashback are amazing and I try to use it every time I can. Let me show you when I used my debit card at 7-Eleven. It's not spectacular, but I thought it's cool to spend your crypto that easily. And since I spend my money in Thailand, let's go over the FX fees. They are really great. Let's have a look. I bought some coffee. Used the card and the open balance went to 0. Just like using a regular credit card. On that day I spent 63 baht at 7-Eleven. On every purchase I received 3% cashback paid in CRO. As you can see, my account was charged with €1.73. Let's see what the conversion rate on Google is. It's exactly the rate that Google suggests. For me this is amazing, and that's where the card really shines. When I remember all the times I converted money from one currency to another. The fees were very high and getting money from an ATM wasn't much better. By the way, with this card you can get up to $800 from the ATM without any FX fees. This is really nice if you have to spend money in a foreign currency. Let's recap the pros and cons of the CRO debit card quickly. The first big selling point is the cashback. Depending on your level, you will receive 1 to 8% cashback paid in CRO on every purchase. The card gives you really nice benefits. Free Netflix or Spotify, to just name a few. What I also like is that you can top up your card with crypto very easily. The fees are very small, and for me it's the best way to spend crypto at the moment. As I showed you before, the card is amazing when you have to convert money to another currency. With 3% cashback, I'm actually getting a little money if I use my card in a foreign country. I never had that before. Conversion fees always gave me a headache, and I'm very happy that I don't have to worry about this anymore. The biggest downside to the CRO debit card is that it's not accepted everywhere. Imagine you are sitting at a restaurant and you can't pay with your card. Even though they accept Visa. That happened to me and I'm not sure why it doesn't work all the time. So keep in mind that you can't completely rely on this card only. It's good to have a backup card. I also like to bet on sports. So I was disappointed to find out that you can't use the card for any online gambling. As great as this card is, the biggest weakness remains: you can't use it everywhere. Maybe this will change in the future. If you live in a country where the CRO card is available, I highly recommend getting one. Let me know in the comments about your experience with Crypto.com's debit card. Thank you so much for staying this long into the video. Please leave a like and I will see you in the next one.